Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to watch HBO Max in Australia. So, for example, when I click on HBO Max, it says that HBO Max isn't available in my region yet. But there's a solution to that problem, which is using a VPN server to trick the HBO Max website that you are in a country where it is available. For example, the United States. In the description, I will leave a link to NordVPN, which is the king of VPNs worldwide, and it's the best choice for accessing HBO Max from anywhere in the world. It has the fastest speeds available, and it's one of the few that are working. If you're unsure how to get access to HBO Max, follow my steps. Firstly, you should open NordVPN, and then you should select a country that have HBO Max available. For example, let's take the United States. I will click on it, and as you can see, it says that I am connected. Once done, should go back and then close the page. Let me check again. As you can see, I am connected to the United States server. And that's it, guys. As you can see, it's working and I successfully got access to HBO Max, even if I am in a country where HBO Max is not available yet. I will leave a link in the description and in the first comment so you can have 63% off NordVPN, which is again, the best VPN provider. And also, you get 3 extra months for free with 30 days money back guarantee. So make sure to give it a chance by clicking on the link in the description and in the pinned comment. And thank you guys for watching. Hope that this helps you. If you want to see more tutorials, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.